B.M.S College of Law, a premier institution of excellence in imparting legal education, was started during the academic year 1963-64. The trust is named after Sri B.M. Srinivasaya, a great visionary and philanthropist, conferred with the title of Rajyakarya Prashakta by the then Maharaja of Mysore in the year 1946. His dynamic and enterprising son, late Sri B.S. Narayan, the donor trustee, under the aegis of B.M.S Educational Trust, founded the B.M.S College of Law. The B.M.S Educational Trust runs highly reputed institutions providing education to around 12,000 students in areas like law, engineering, science, commerce, information technology, and architecture. The college is affiliated to Karnataka State Law University and approved by the Bar Council of India, New Delhi. The college imparts education in BCom LLB, BA LLB, and LLB 5 and 3-year degree courses. The B.M.S Educational Trust is managed by a council of trustees consisting of Dr. B.S. Ragini Narayan, donor trustee, B.M.S.C.T, chairperson B.M.S.C.T, B.M.S.C, B.M.S.C.W, and ICD, Dr. P. Dayananda Pai, life trustee, B.M.S.C.T, Sri Aviram Sharma, trustee, B.M.S.C.T, chairman, B.M.S.C.L, B.M.S.I.T, and B.M.S.C.C and M, Sri Ravi Venkatesham, trustee, B.M.S.C.T, chairman, B.M.S.S.A and B.M.S.E.A. The vision of the college is to impart quality legal education, to set up new standards by inculcating a sense of professionalism, to create a sense of rule of law and responsibility towards the society, to provide globalized legal education, and to provide knowledge of academic excellence with integrity and accountability. The institute has a lush green campus and a strong foundation of infrastructure with a highly qualified and dedicated team of faculty committed to providing world-class learning experience. The college is well constructed with spacious, well-ventilated and ICT-enabled smart classrooms to ensure excellent learning experience. The institution boasts a spacious library with a collection of 19,000 books and journals which are updated periodically. It has initiated Best Library User Award to the students to encourage them to make optimal use of the library resources. The institute also has its very own newsletter committee that publishes biannual newsletter legatum and monthly e-bulletins. The institution has a well-furnished moot court hall to hone oratory and other skills requisite for the profession. Mooting has always been integral to the culture of PMSEL. The Moot Court Committee is a student panel bestowed with the duty of overseeing the mooting activities and maintaining high standards of excellence. Mooting can best be stimulated as the nearest experience to one fighting in the court of law while still in college. Moot Court Hall of the college imitates a real court hall, giving the students a trial before the trial. The Moot Court Committee of the college provides training to transform the students into valuable law professionals. The main objective of the committee is to promote and equip the students with the required skill set in research and advocacy. The committee is responsible for organizing moot court training and competitions. The students are provided with systematic and planned training modules. B.M. Srinivasaya Memorial National Moot Court Competition is a flagship event organized every year which attracts numerous participants from all over India. The rich heritage of 58 years of B.M.S Law College has provided a legacy of distinguished legal luminaries and leaders who are worthy contributors to the society. To name a few: Honorable Mr. Justice E.S. Venkataramaya, former Principal, B.M.S College of Law, 19th Chief Justice of India. Honorable Mr. Justice M.N. Venkatachalaya, 25th Chief Justice of India. Honorable Mr. Justice Rama Jois, former Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court and former Governor of State of Bihar. Dr. B.V. Acharya, Senior Advocate, former Advocate General, Government of Karnataka, former member, Law Commission of India. The institution holds distinguished alumni like Honorable Mr. Justice Nagarjuna Reddy, former Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh. Honorable Mr. Justice S.S. Satyanarayana, former Judge, High Court of Karnataka. Honorable Mr. Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar, Judge, High Court of Karnataka. Honorable Mr. Justice Srinivas Harish Kumar, Judge, High Court of Karnataka. Honorable Mr. Justice Mahesh Nagaprasanna, Judge, High Court of Karnataka. Honorable Mr. Justice Nirenahalli Srinivasan Sanjay Gowda, Additional Judge, High Court of Karnataka. Professor Ravi Varma Kumar, former Advocate General, Senior Advocate, High Court of Karnataka. Shri D. Nanjunda Reddy, Senior Advocate, Bengaluru. Shri S. N. Murthy, Senior Advocate, Bengaluru. The Institute conducts various eminent lecture series, seminars, and webinars to diversify the knowledge in all spheres. Statutory committees like the Anti-Ragging, Anti-Sexual Harassment Committee, Students and SC/ST OBC Grievance Redressal Committee plays an active role in uplifting and supporting the students and spreading awareness on anti-ragging and narcotics. Cradle, Center for Child Rights, organizes various outreach programs like NGO visits. Clark, Consumer Law Advocacy and Research Center, plays a pivotal role in advocating consumer rights through workshops and walkathons. The NSS unit and COVID-19 Awareness Cell organizes mass distribution drives to create awareness about the significance and maintenance of health and hygiene during the pandemic. The Cultural Committee delightfully celebrates all the festivals and cultural programs on the campus. Legal Aid Clinic conducts conferences, workshops, and legal assistance to the poor and weaker section of the society with the objective to exercise their rights enshrined in the Constitution. The Sports Club of the college actively participates in various tournaments and conducts several sports activities. The college garden has been designed and recreated as bar and bench by Kaladvi, the art club of B.M.S. B.M.S. strongly believes in environment conservation, and Earth Club leaves no stone unturned in upholding this vision. The IPR cell aims at organizing various workshops, training programs, roundtables, and conferences on various intellectual property issues. The Student Council is a representative body of students that debates issues, participates in the administration of the college, and undertakes initiatives that benefits the students and the institute. To facilitate upgradation of knowledge, skill, and training opportunities for the faculties, B.M.S. has been actively organizing various faculty development programs. The institute follows certain best practices such as student and faculty interaction with the Board of Governors and awarding of scholarships to meritorious and economically underprivileged students. For student empowerment, the college conducts periodic parents-teacher meet and proctor meet. B.M.S. College of Law has a rich and diverse bevy of students and promotes personal growth and an inclusive environment. We cordially welcome you for this enriching intellectual and educational experience.